For today's video, because we're using the microwave, we're going to start off with a raw corn on the cob. For this to work really well, you're going to want to microwave your corn on high for anywhere between 2 and 2.5 minutes. Today, I'm just going to go 2.5 minutes. I'm going to pop this in and I'll come back. While our corn is microwaving, you want to get yourself a cutting board, a knife, and a towel because the corn is going to be extremely hot when we bring it out. Okay, that's my 2.5 minutes. I'm going to grab my corn like this, get it down on the cutting board, and then all you need to do is just measure in a little bit and cut right through. Just like that. I've got myself a serving plate, and now you're going to grab the end of that corn, and it's extremely hot, so be very careful, and just give it a little bit of a squeeze. Whew, hot. And there we have it. Perfect corn on the cob. Clean up our plate here. I've got a little bit of butter. We'll get that on there as well. Everything goes better with butter. And that's good. And of course, salt. You always have to have salt. And if you want a little bit of pepper is good too. That's perfect. Then I'll just get my little corn holders on each side. And there we have it. So let me just zoom in. So I'm behind the camera here. I just wanted to show you this a little closer up. And that there is perfectly cooked. Absolutely no flavor loss because we've done it in the microwave versus doing it in hot water where you lose a lot of flavor. So I'm back in front of the camera. I just wanted to show you really close up and pan back and forth on that corn to show you how nice it really is. A really fast way to make corn on the cob in your microwave with no flavor loss at all. A really good way to do it. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate it. That's it, and I'll see you next time. Oh, you know I have to try some of this. Oh wow, that's really good. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.